Okay, test number 2. Power is on. Got about 12 volts going through. Light's not on. Gonna bring it up. I'm gonna put the second set of trucks on. Uh-oh, that my experiment screws up. Okay. Now, if I lift these trucks up, the light goes out. Put the trucks down, the light comes on. Got it? If I roll the paper out of the way, like that, light comes on. Bring it over here, light's on, light stays on, light stays on, light stays on, light stays on, light's on. So you can roll around. You've got the hot wheel directly connected to the chassis. In the opposite side, these are insulated wheels. You can see they're insulated. And they got the power pickups here, and they're tied together, and they're feeding in the opposite side to the light bulb, so the light bulb comes on. And as you roll, the wheel rubs on the little spring-loaded wire, just like they would on our other engines. If I get there focused, there we go. And the light bulb stays lit. So, in effect, this now has all-wheel pickup. Hot, 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 hot. Okay? So if we do this to the other wheel, truck, we could have all-wheel pickup on the dummy units. If you had a single drive Alco, you could do this to the second truck. So you could have 3 wheel up front, wheel back here, wheel up there. So you could have all-wheel drive in the Alco single drive chassis, as well as the dummy chassis. I am working on a all-wheel pickup for the driven trucks. It'll be a variation of this, and I may have it by the end of this week. It's not as far along. This one came pretty quickly. Just vision popped into my head. Okay, let's make one. We got another variation on this we're going to try, and we also know there's a long and short chassis mount, so we got to make sure whatever we do we'll be able to fit on both without a lot of major grinding and drilling. In this case, it was just fitted in. And I hold them in by putting in an extra long screw in the truck mount. Now, it may or may not fly for everybody. I'm going to have to find out, put on some trucks and test them and see if the longer screw still clears everything we have to worry about. But I think this is an excellent start for now, and I'm looking forward to getting these out to a few folks for testing. Okay, that's the show, Joe. All-wheel drive dummy Alco, and tested, and it works. So more coming. Got the assembly shop in progress here, bolting them together, cutting and fitting the spring pickups, and we're off and running. So I'll post this, and you guys could chew on it, see what you think.